Here's this morning's job. I got, well, this is actually a house that the guy that owns the duplex, I think his parents own these. They may own the whole block, actually. These are some older rental houses they have, and I think they're trying to sell, or they've got this one sold, maybe this next one, but I'm gonna come in here and tear out all this overgrown Johnson grass and weeds, and I'm hoping there's no other surprises or pedestals or anything like that in there. But the issue they're having here is from like the AC unit over there to that deck is lower, so all the water's just staying up against the house. So I'm kind of hoping I can skim this down, and then we're going to bring a load of dirt in here. It's kind of just going to be a quick bandage. I'm not stripping all the grass and hauling all that off. I don't know, I may go up here and do a little bit of it, but we're just going to kind of dump a load of dirt up against the crawl space hole in this area. I'm going to raise that downspout up. I really need to take the deck off the house, which is about shot, and then seed and straw over it. So nothing major, but you can see the yard kind of runs uphill here. I'm not going to get carried away with cutting the grade down on the alley, because the alley, or the next to the alley, because it's higher anyways. But I'm hoping we can just build enough dirt on there and kind of pitch it out where it'll get here, and then just kind of work on draining off. But they also asked about cleaning this mess up, so we'll jump in the loader and see what we find in here. looks better. Got all that stuff ripped out. We did find a pretty good sized stump right here, so I have to see if they can get a stump grinder on that. But yeah, and I went ahead and just scraped all the grass off so I can kind of see what I'm working with. I don't know. I'm not big on the kind of bandage to the problem, so I'd rather just kind of fix it and fix it right, even if it's for the next person's. I cut some of this high spot off. It's still got, I mean, there's not much fall. There's a little bit now because it was kind of humped up like that, and took some of the decent stuff and backfilled here, but I'm still going to get a load of dirt and kind of run along that whole edge and around the corner. I'm going to grab my Sawzall at the shop and raise this downspout up, and then probably, I'm not going to get carried away there, because I don't want it to go underneath the porch and just stay there. But halfway up on that block, I'm thinking we'll kind of build this up here, and then that'll give it enough to kind of kick it out to the alley and drain on down. We'll go dump the truck and get a load of dirt, get back, spread it, and then the two I did yesterday, we're going to seed and get the straw blower and blow straw on them, and then bring it over here. But probably going to make some pretty good friends with those people. I knocked on the door to see if there's anybody there, or maybe I could put a pool cover over that or something. I'm not really excited about dumping this dirt because it's dusty, and then when I try to blow straw, I can just see it all ending up in that pool. So I may just not run the straw blower over here and just try to shake it out by hand, or I'll clean a pool later on today. We'll see. Let's go dump the truck and be back. Alright, so my final walk around, I'd somehow left the camera in time-lapse mode, so I just got rid of that clip. But yeah, basically I just ended up running over the whole backyard with the hand rake to kind of get it smoothed out somewhat with this powder. And then this is actually when I did those other 2 yards. So I went and did the straw and blew the straw on those yards and seeded it. And then I came back over here and did the same thing, and actually lucked out and didn't get too much straw in the pool and got it cleaned out. But yeah, and then I just got some pictures of the dirt and the seed. So that's where that one ended at. Appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching.